back. It's Friday morning. I had to think about it, forgetting what day it is. We've been home since Monday afternoon, I think. And we're doing a little bit of playtime, so I figured I would show you some ground-based exercise. The things that you think of when you're home. So we're gonna do something that's a combination exercise. Really covers a lot of ground. Start by lying on your side, preferably next to a baby. You're gonna roll back, push your knees down into the ground, and then push your shoulders down into the ground. Look up towards the ceiling. You can even add a reach. And you're gonna roll to your side, bring your elbow up underneath you, and then pop up into a side plank. You can add on a little clamshell, and then slowly lower yourself back down to the ground. Roll back to your back, keeping your knees on the ground for that stretch again. And then you can add on one more piece, a glute bridge. A little bit of a march for stability. Slowly lower your butt back down. Drop your knees towards the baby. Hold the stretch again. Roll back to your side. And then up again. Add a reach and a clamshell. Slowly drop back down. Do a couple of those per side. If you're feeling ambitious after that, inspired by Layla, we could do a little bit of quadruped, sort of a crawl pattern. Bring your elbows in, okay? Pull your knees up off the ground. My toes are plugged in. Oh, we could start here. A little bit of a march. Okay. Walk it out to push-up position. One arm plank. One arm plank. Walk it back to hands and knees. I'm keeping my knees off the ground. You can walk it into a deep squat. Deep squat. Can you do this? Pull yourself into a good posture. Lean a little bit left and right. Work on your ankle mobility. And then drop back down towards hands and knees. Another little bit of march. Walk out to push-up position. One arm plank. One arm plank. Walk it back in. Sit into another squat. Here. Good? Say hi. Or bye. That's it for now. All right, if you run through this a couple of times, doing the side lying thing, glute bridge, and a side plank, and then flip over to hands and knees and run through this series a few times, you can make for 10 really good minutes. That'll help you feel a little more upright, a little more greased and grooved. And this is a good time to pay attention to this sort of stuff. It's slow, it's steady, therapeutic type of movement that's not gonna really tire you out. Sure, it could be intense. I'm not sure now is the time for intensity because we're trying to stay healthy. You want a little bit closer? We're trying to stay healthy, and that means we don't want to challenge our bodies too much, but that doesn't mean we need to sit still and wait to feel good either. We don't have to wait for the right opportunity to get some movement in. A lot of low intensity exercise can really add up over time and leave your body in better shape. It doesn't need to kick ass in order to be good for you. That's it for now. Talk to you later.